How can you shape your daily life as a chemical engineer? I hear this question a lot from prospective and current chemical engineering students. How can I make a difference in the world as a chemical engineer? Well, here's one way. You can help build factories that produce products that make people's lives better. Let's look at Ethiopia as an example. Ethiopia has a growing chemical industry with a number of factories producing a variety of products. For instance, there's the Ethiopian Chemical and Pharmaceutical Factory, which produces a range of chemicals and pharmaceuticals, including sodium hydroxide, which is used in the production of soap and textiles. Then we have the National Metal and Engineering Company, which manufactures metal products such as pipes and fittings, as well as machinery and equipment for various industries. And one of the biggest factories in the country is the Oromia International Textiles Factory, which produces a wide range of textile products, including denim fabrics, which are used in the production of jeans and other clothing items. These are just a few examples of the many factories that are helping to drive Ethiopia's economic growth and improve the lives of its people. And what do all these factories have in common? They all need chemical engineers. Chemical engineers are involved in every aspect of the manufacturing process, from the design and construction of the factory to the production and quality control of the end product. In fact, chemical engineers are essential to the operation of any manufacturing plant. It's the chemical engineers who ensure that the raw materials are used efficiently, that the manufacturing process is safe and environmentally friendly, and that the finished product meets the required specifications. In addition to their technical expertise, chemical engineers also bring a unique problem-solving approach to the manufacturing process. They're able to identify areas where processes can be improved and then work with other engineers and technicians to implement those improvements. This is why chemical engineers are so valuable to manufacturing companies. They're able to help companies improve their products and processes, which ultimately leads to increased efficiency and profitability. So if you're a chemical engineer or aspiring to be one, know that you have the power to make a real difference in the world. By helping to build factories that produce the products that make people's lives better, you can help create a brighter future for everyone. Let me give you another example closer to home. Have you ever thought about how the sugar in your sweets and the salt in your snacks get there? It takes a lot of processing to get those ingredients just right. And that's where chemical engineers come in. They develop the processes and equipment to refine and add the perfect amount of sugar or salt to your food. And they don't just work in food processing plants. Chemical engineers are involved in almost every aspect of the manufacturing process, from the design and construction of the factory to the production and quality control of the end product. They make sure that everything runs smoothly and efficiently so that we can enjoy our favorite snacks and sweets without worrying about how they're made. So next time you reach for a piece of chocolate or a bag of chips, take a moment to appreciate the work of the chemical engineers who made it possible. Thanks for watching. See you next time.